Alright guys, so this is the first video using an app called Mixcam. It should be at the bottom of the video. So any iPhone you have, you can use this app and use the green screen version, and that'll look like this. So hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about a recent purchase I made of this iPhone SE second generation from 2020. Okay, I know there was a new generation that came out, the third generation that came out in April of this year in 2022, and it had a nice price tag of $449 with it. This one went down in price. As a matter of fact, I caught this one on a fire sale. I went to the mall, someone had just returned it. It's still under warranty. The warranty's still good until March of 2023, the factory warranty. And the battery health in this thing is still at 99%. Let me pull that up real quick. So yeah, you can see it's still 99% on the battery health. So it's still pretty much new, okay? This phone only came in 3 colors. Starlight, Midnight, and Product Red, basically black, white, and red. But I picked up this 128 gig model. They make a 64, a 128, and a 256 model. And I have to tell you, man, I have been impressed with this little phone, even though I use it as a complementary phone to my primary phone that I've been using lately, which is my S21 Ultra. And you can see how small it is in comparison. The screen on this thing, because this phone actually sits inside of this one. The screen on this thing is 4.7 inches, LCD panel, what is it, 300 and something nits. It's nothing compared to the newer phones that are out now. But for the price I paid for it, which was $205, that came with the screen protector that's on here, and it also included this case. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase. You can find this on eBay as well as Amazon for around $230 for this model, for 128 gigs. 64 gigs gonna be a little less. You may be able to find that for under $200, and the 256 model is still gonna be close to $300, okay? But the one thing that most people concentrate on when they get in phones now is social media, right? So I spent the day with a friend. Her daughter had a birthday, and we hung out for a little while, and I took some photos and video. I started out at 100% this morning, and I'll show you in the screenshot here, where I used about 52% of the battery, had over 2.5 hours of screen on time. So if you average it out, I would get close to 6 hours of screen on time using photo and video on a battery that's less than 2,000 milliamps. As a matter of fact, this battery is 1,821 milliamps. That's it. Now it does have wireless charging. It's not very fast, but it does offer wireless charging. It does have fast charging, I believe up to 25 watts on this device. But it is a throwback, man, because I've had the iPhone 4, the iPhone 5, never had the 7 or the 8. And this is all over the internet, you know, all the specs. But this is the body of the iPhone 8. This is the exact body of the iPhone 8. What's different is the internals. This has the A13 Bionic chip from the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, excuse me. And it does make a difference, especially when it comes to performance. If you're a gamer, you can game on this. Obviously, battery is gonna take a toll, just like it did with me today using video. That's the biggest toll on these phones is shooting video. I mainly focused on 4K 30 because this phone in the rear, this one single camera, which is a 12 megapixel camera, you can do 4K max 60 frames per second down to 24 and 30 frames per second. You also have 1080p and 720p on here. Front facing camera is only 7 megapixels, but it's still pretty good for an iPhone. And you can only film up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, okay? But I wanna show you guys some photos and videos and a little montage I did with my friend today, just to show you what this little phone for $205 is capable of. And I would challenge anyone in the comment section to show me another device at the price I paid for this. You get this kind of photo and video quality for $205. Let's check it out. right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.
Add to you.